What's up, Glam Crew? It is your girl, Nikki the Glam Teacher. And in today's video, we are going to talk about my dating life. I know, surprise, surprise, because I like to keep my relationship, my business. I like to keep my finances and my family, my business. But I am going to open up a bit because some of this stuff is like a bit funny and I can't believe like this really be happening. But yeah, get ready with me as I prepare to go on a little date. We are going to go over some dating advice for the ladies and for the fellas, just so you can have a successful dating journey and avoid some of these little mistakes and bizarre things that have happened to me. And we are going to get into this jumpsuit that should have been in my last try on haul, but I wore it on this date. And y'all, right here, I really did not spray it in my mouth. I was joking, but I actually sprayed too much perfume. Make sure to watch the full video, like, share, subscribe, and keep those comments positive. Positive vibes only. All right, Glam Crew, so let's get into it. My number one tip and advice is to always be yourself. If someone can't accept you for who you are, then that is not the person for you. I am not going to change who I am because eventually the real me is going to come out. And what if that person does not like it? Then I just wasted their time and my time. And who wants to waste their time? So, know who you are, know what you want to deal with, and be intentional about it from the start. So, Glam Crew, I am realizing in today's world of dating, you have to have tough skin because people love to assume and just say anything. For example, I had a guy recently tell me that he thinks that I am an attention seeker and I am a bit bougie, which it didn't bother me at all because this lets me know if a person is someone that I can see myself being with or someone that I'm probably not going to be interested in. And the guy didn't know me at all. We met briefly out on a cruise, and what he was noticing about me is me out creating content. This is my job. This is one of many jobs, okay? So, I've said this before, and I'll tell you all again. Social media Nikki is not the same as offline Nikki. Work Nikki, mommy Nikki, they are all different people. I don't know if I want to call it multiple personalities or what, but I just know how to turn on and off my professional attitude and personality from my pleasure. And I like to keep my business and pleasure separate pretty much. So if you're in love with social media Nikki, then yeah, that's not the same person you're going to get outside of social media. I'm still playful and goofy, but it's not the same person. And being called an attention seeker, at first I was a little like, man, is that me? Like, I was sad because that's not me. But at the same time, it's my job. This is another stream of income that I have that does help me afford my bougie lifestyle. So, it is what it is. It didn't work out with that one. Again, I have a video coming up where I'll talk more about this. But this is an example of why I say you need to have tough skin. People are going to assume things. And I hope people don't assume that I may have money because of things that I post on social media because, baby, I don't. And that's why I'm big on my privacy as well, because I don't want the wrong person to come up to me and try and use me for the wrong ways. That's why I think another tip for you all is to kind of be discreet, disclosing information about what you do, your finances, because you don't want women or men to use you for the wrong ways. You want someone that has genuine interest in you. And the only way you're really going to figure that out is by getting out and doing things that you both enjoy. Sitting on the phone, texting, yeah, that's okay to kind of get like a start of who is this person? Are we compatible? But eh, I don't have time to do that. A lot of people really don't have time to do that. We need to get out in person and just see each other, see if the vibe is right. I'm one of them people, if we're not getting out and dating in person, you can get out of my face. How do you all feel about that? Okay, so let's get into these outfits. So this is from Fashion Nova. I got it during the buy one, get one free sale. And I am going to wear it with this Kate Spade bag. I didn't want to rock the LV bag because I think the pattern in it was a bit too loud with this jumpsuit. I wanted something a little bit more solid to rock with this, just so all eyes and focus can be on the jumpsuit. I think the pattern in the LV bag would just throw off the look on my jumpsuit. So look at that. Let me know what you think. I love Kate Spade. I got this bag for myself during Christmas or birthday, one of the two. But yeah, I like how this looks with it. And then I put on my little bob wig that I found in the closet, y'all. I'm gonna comb it out and hit it with the hot comb a little bit so you all will get the full finished look at the end of the video. Let me know what you think. I had extra time getting ready while I was waiting for the babysitter, so I put me on some makeup and I like how it came out. Just took some extra time to get myself ready. And that leads me to another thing. Make yourself presentable when you are going on dates. You don't gotta be, trying to catfish anyone and just doing way too much, but just be presentable and look nice. Make sure you're picking a place that is somewhere nice, comfortable, public. Don't go inviting someone to your private home for safety reasons. Do not be giving out your address. I be giving out the address to like my brother, my cousin, my uncles, cause baby, they done did time in federal prison, the military. I got male best friends that been in the military. So don't think you pulling up on me. You gonna pick me up from one of my brothers. Okay, ladies, protect yourself. And men, just be respectful. I know it's a new day and age. You can't just be going to pick up people at their house. Just think about their safety. Women want a man that is going to provide and protect. So just keep that at the front of your mind, to be a protector and a provider. How am I going to make her comfortable? How am I going to make her safe? Okay? Ladies, think about, how am I going to make him happy? How am I going to make him comfortable? How am I going to make him feel safe? It's a mutual feeling for both parties. And it should be mutually respectful for both parties. One of these days recently invited me to a sports bar, and I almost canceled on him because, like, I'm paying $25 an hour for a babysitter. I'm taking time away from work where I could be making money. I'm doing my hair, my nails, getting dressed pretty, and you want to take me to a loud sports bar? Are you kidding me? I don't even take myself to loud sports bars. I go to nice dining restaurants and I give myself nice, good experiences. So, don't ever let someone, take you below your standards. I am not for everyone. You are not for everyone. Respect yourself and respect your boundaries. That will help ease your dating experience as well. It's okay to say no and decline offers and dates and just enjoy being alone. Okay? Sometimes I realize some people really just they don't know any better. So I mean, at this big age, y'all gotta know something. Some people just be playing mind games too. They like to play games. Women play games, men play games. Woo, child. Y'all be playing games. But after you feed out all of the BS, there's gonna be light at the end of the tunnel, y'all. But until that light shine, go on all the dates. Enjoy yourself. Have fun. Going on dates does not mean giving up the pum pum. It does not mean giving up the D. No girl wants a man that nobody wants community dick. Okay? Let me just put it out there. So fellas, ladies, all right? Go on dates, but respect yourself. Keep it cute. Get back in the house. The only thing that's open after 11 p.m. is Waffle House and legs. Keep your legs closed, okay? Wait until you get that wedding ring, okay? So we are coming up to the end of this video. Let me know what you think about this outfit. Drop some dating advice and some tips in the comments. What are some of your boundaries that you have set in place? Do you prefer meeting online or in person the traditional way? I like in person. I honestly don't even want my man on my social media. This is a job. This is not even who I am. Monday through Friday, I'm like the quiet church girl. Saturday, I'm gonna go out, turn up. Vacation, I'm gonna act up, but I'm mainly quiet, y'all. Let me know.